Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you too.
Okay. Is it possible to switch on the video so that we can have a good discussion?
Sure, let me do that.
Yeah. So, how do you pronounce your name? May I know?
Oh, Ernesto.
Ernesto. Okay. So, my name is Gaurav and I'm from India, Bangalore.
Nice to meet you. What's your name again?
Gaurav. Gaurav. Gaurav.
Gorav?
Gaurav Agarwal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kind of hard to pronounce, but
Yeah, it's different. Indian names are different too. That's the reason. Yeah. Okay. So, let's start. Can you just brief me what all you know about Forex? Then we'll start accordingly.
um, like I traded a little bit, but it's hard. Trading itself is not easy. I know I haven't done it in a while, but I want to go back to doing it. So I like technical analysis. I don't know a whole bunch, and I just wanted to learn Python and so I can mix it with technical analysis. Like I'm learning Python right now, but it's like beginner Python. You must know everything about Python, right?
We can see first we have to know about technical analysis, right? So we need to understand the indicators, patterns of technical analysis so that we can use that in Python,
Okay, yeah.
right?
But how good are you with Python?
We see Python, we can fix or write formulas in Python using the technical analysis, and then we can execute it. See, I'm not that good, I'm not an expert in Python, but at least we can do some basics in Python, how to use the technical analysis in Python. So those things we can at least do it, but you have to explore it later how to use different strategies in Python. I can tell you some strategies which you can code in Python, but if you want to use any specific strategies that you want, then that you have to do, or I can help you in that how to code in Python.
Okay, yeah.
So first, see, technical analysis is very important to learn first, then only you can use that in Python.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's review some technical analysis. Actually, I don't know much about technical analysis, just a couple things, but
We
be
can
nice.
start with basics. I'll teach you from the basics, but at least do you have an idea about candlesticks?
Yes, I understand candlesticks. I understand that. Actually, what you can definitely what I would like to learn even more is about Forex in itself. Like, I'm not like I understand something. I understand that Forex is currencies. I understand that they're pairs, but like I don't understand like the more complex, complicated.
See, basic thing is like you want to put money and you want to earn some profits through Forex, right? So that is your
Yeah,
only motive, correct? So for
true.
that purpose, only you have to learn technical analysis. There is no other way to earn profits from Forex. See, pairing and all is okay. Those are all things fundamentals that everyone knows, but they won't be able to help you to earn profits. If you want to earn profits, you have to use technical analysis only. That is the only way. But it depends on you how deep you can go in technical analysis. But since I myself a trader, so I will teach you the practical strategies which you can apply in Forex to execute it.
Okay, yeah. That sounds like a plan.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen first. So in technical analysis, can you tell me what all things you know so that I can start accordingly?
Let's see. It's been a while now that I've traded, but technical analysis, the basics would be like your moving averages, right?
Okay.
Averages, basically, if the moving average is below the candlesticks,
Mm.
basically means it can mean, well, it depends, right? It depends. For example, if more like if the candlestick, if the moving average is a very long moving average, like a 100-day moving average, and you have like a 30, 50-day, uh if you're on a daily
Mm.
candlestick chart, then basically it means, and then if the candlestick goes above the moving average, then we're into a reversal, right? That's what they
Okay.
call a reversal.
Okay. May I know which type of trading you are comfortable with? Like you want to do intraday, swing trading, or positional? How is it?
I've heard that Forex is very hard with intraday, but the funny thing is that Forex is very large market, so
Yeah.
you can make money in intraday
Yes.
because you come in
Yes.
and out really quickly, but it's
Hmm.
hard because it's hard. At least I've heard that it's hard to really see what's happening. With
Uh,
Forex, it's easier on like the week, like the daily, weekly charts. It's easier
hmm.
because
Okay.
that's where you make your big money.
What I'm going to do is that I'll teach you intraday as well as swing and positional. So it depends on you which one you want to use it. You can use anything, whichever you wish to. And I will teach you certain indicators and strategies which you can even use in crypto and stocks also if you want to use it. Like in Forex, crypto and stocks. Everywhere you can be able to use it. Okay. So I'll share my screen. So have you ever used this particular platform, TradingView?
Yes, I've used it before, TradingView. Also, I've used Forex.com. That's the one I use with Forex.
Okay. So if you want to do technical analysis and all, we should be doing here in TradingView because it has a very good setup, indicators, patterns, everything is pretty good here. So it's better to focus on TradingView first, and then we can do it right.
Oh, I
Okay.
was gonna ask one thing. I was gonna ask you one
Uh,
thing.
yeah.
Okay, do you record the session so I can look him up
Yes, yes,
after?
I am recording the session. I will share this session with you after the class.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry I could not inform you that I am recording this session.
That's okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is the view from trading view. Here you can see there are a lot of things. First, I'll just talk about some tabs here so that you know how it works, and then we will go into technical analysis. Okay. So here you can see that we have different things. This is the time frame you can see, correct? Time frames, right? Here you can see different time frames: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, right?
Yes.
So this depends on which type of trading you want to do. See, there are different types of trading. First type of trading is scalping. Scalping. Have you heard about scalping?
Yes, I've heard of scalping. Yes.
Yeah. So scalping is basically a trading. You can use it for 1 to 3 minutes maximum time frame, right? Then we have intraday. Intraday is like for the same day. You have to entry and exit on the same day. This is called intraday. And third one is swing or positional. So in this, you are going to carry your position for 1 day or for more than 1 day, right? So this is called positional trading, correct? So if you want to do scalping, you have to choose a time frame of 1 to 5 minutes.
Scalping is 5 minutes.
Yeah. Intraday, you can use it for up to 30 minutes, from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. 10 minutes to 30 minutes, right? And
Mm-hmm.
swing if you want to use, like if you want to use it for 1 day or 2 days, then you have to use the hourly chart for 1 2 days. And if you want to use for more days, like 5 days, 10 days, then you need to use the daily chart. And if you are a very long term, which is not possible in Forex, then we need to use the weekly or monthly chart, right? Okay, so this time frame is there. So you have to decide which particular trading you want to do: intraday, scalping, swing trading. So based on that, you have to do the chart analysis.
Okay.
So this is correct. This is understood.
Yes, I understand that.
Okay. So here we have to do. So let's start with the daily chart. Okay. And then we have some indicators here. You can see indicators, correct? We have a lot of indicators, but I'm going to teach you the practical 2 or 3 indicators which will help you in Forex trading. Okay. Because see, there are so many indicators, we cannot learn all the indicators. Right? Okay. Okay. Let's start with the candlestick. Are you comfortable with the chart right now, or shall I start with the presentation? I have some PPTs also, slides also. If you are comfortable with slides, I can teach you from there. Or if you are
Hey,
comfortable,
whatever you think is best. I don't care. It's fine with me.
okay.
It's fine this way too. I mean,
Okay, so let's teach you about some candles first, and then I will come on the chart.
okay.
Since we have to start from the basics, so you should first know about the candles, right? Okay, can see my screen?
Correct. I see it. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in see, candlestick is a very important tool which we have to use in technical analysis, right? So basically, there are two colors of candle, green and red. So green says that the pattern is bullish, and red says the pattern is bearish. So you know about bullish and bearish?
Yes, I understand the green, the red. I understand the high, low, open, close. Yep, all that.
Yeah. Okay. So these shapes of the candle depends on the volume. So volume means the buyers and the sellers, right?
Buyers and sellers. Yep.
Yeah. So based on the buyers and sellers, these candle formation is happening. See, if buyers are more, the candles will be green. If the sellers are more, the candle will be red. Means sellers are dominating here. In bearish candle, sellers are dominating, and in bullish candle, buyers are dominating. Right. Apart from that, we have four prices, which is very important. Open price, low price, high price, and close price. Whatever be the structure of the candle, whatever the color of the candle, we will be having four prices, right? And you can see these wicks, right? This is upper wick, this is lower wick, okay? And this is the body of the candle, right? So the lower wick, these guys are called as some buyers, which move the price action from bottom to top. And these are the sellers which moved price from top to bottom. Okay. So you have to remember the prices, the body, and the upper wick and lower wick. Fine. This is clear.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing you can see in the bearish candle also. All the four prices, body, and the upper and lower wick. But the most important thing in this is the prices. So if the prices are equal, means if open price is equal to the low price, that means the buyers are dominating and the market can go up. The market can go up from there if open price is equals to the low price. If open price equals to the high price, that means sellers are active and the market can go down from there, right? So you have to plan your strategies based on the price action also. Means if the price is open equals to low, then you can buy. If price open equals to high, then you can sell.
Okay.
Is clear? Any doubt in this?
You repeat it one more time?
See, we have four prices here, right? Open price, low price, close price, and high price. Correct? This is clear. We have four prices.
Very clear.
So now we have a condition here. Whenever open price and low price are same,
Correct. Okay.
whenever open price and low price are same, that means the market can go up and we have to buy from there.
Yes, yes, yes. When it's yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And second condition is whenever the price open is same as high, right? So from there, the market can go down. Sell. You have to sell it. See, in trading, we have only two things, buying and selling, right?
Correct. Buying and selling. That's all.
So first condition, you can use it this for buying, and this is the second condition that you can use it for selling. I will show you on the chart, then that it will be more clearer to you. But here I am just saying you this condition.
Makes sense.
I will show you on chart this condition. Then it will be more clearer. One second. So which pair you want me to use?
Whatever you want to use, USD, Euro USD, sure. Yeah, that's the main one.
USD. It's not coming here.
It's right there. There you go.
Okay. So these are the candles. You can see the different candles, green, red, and based on the buyers and sellers, we are we are seeing this type of candles. So now we have to find the open equals to low or open equals to high. So if I put my cursor on this candle, okay, if I put my cursor on this candle, you can see prices at the top here. See here, right? You can see the at the top open IOHLC.
I can see that.
So open price is how much? 1.16924
Correct. Open
and
16924.
and low is 1.16917.
It's lower. Yeah.
Yeah, so that means it is pretty close. So that means we can have a probability that market can go up from there, right? And here you can see that there is a big green candle after that.
I see that.
This one. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to check in the morning. Whenever the market opens, at that time you can check this, and based on that, you can decide your trading strategy whether you want to buy or sell. Only thing you have to check is price. If price is approximately same, open and low are same, then you can go for a buy thing. Any doubts in this?
No, no, no doubts. Yeah.
Okay. So see, there are three things in trading, right? You have to buy, right? You have to book profit, and there is stop loss. Stop loss, you have any idea? Stop loss?
Stop loss, I know what that is. Yes.
Yeah. So this is the risk you are taking against a trade, right?
Correct.
And profit is basically the reward.
Mm-hmm.
And buy or sell is your entry point, right?
Mine says major point. Yep.
Yeah, okay, so three keywords which are very important in trading. What if you are doing forex, if you are doing stocks, or if you are doing crypto, anything you are doing, these three keywords are very important: entry, profits, stop loss, right? So in this condition, whenever open equals to low, we since we are taking a buying entry, right? My entry is buy here, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So my stop loss will be equals to open price. Whatever be the open price, that will be my stop loss here.
Correct.
And reward you can choose based on the stop loss. So let's say my open price is 15 and my low price is also 15, right? So in this, my stop loss will be how much? 15. Or you can take some buffer. Or you can take some buffer, maybe around one point buffer, maybe around 14 you can take as a stop loss, right? So let's say you have taken an entry at around 17 because this is the open and low price. You cannot take an entry at the same price because market will be very volatile. It will be moving. So you may be able to take an entry around 17 or 18, right? 17 or 18, you may be able to take an entry. So your stop loss is 14, means 3 points.
3 points.
So accordingly, you have to keep your rewards. Maybe you can keep 6 points, your rewards.
Yes, your rewards always have to be bigger than your
Uh,
stop loss.
like you can use 1:2. Can 1:2, right? The the ratio of 1:2, right? So
Correct, correct, correct.
3 points is my risk and 6 points is my reward, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is how you can plan your trades. So three things you have to plan: entry, stop loss, and profits. Okay. So I'll show you one more open equals to low where I can see.
Do you also teach like live trading, like not just like the technical analysis, but like for example, you show yourself making money or choosing trades, stuff like that?
I can help you in choosing the trades in life.
Okay.
If you want
Obviously.
to, yeah, if you want to trade in your account, because I don't have a Forex account right now. Earlier, I used to do in Forex, but now since we have some restrictions in India, so I cannot trade in Forex right now. But if you have a platform in which you want to trade, then I can help you online how to take the trades in the live live market.
Well, it would be nice to like learn like you know how you choose, you know, specific entry points and see if you would make money, even if it's on paper money, you know, it doesn't have to be real.
Hmm. So this is a kind of paper thing only. I am telling you that because we have to see the back test. We have to see the historical data, right? So here we are checking the historical data. Correct.
Hmm.
So if you have a platform like that, then we can do that.
No, it's yeah, let's just for now let's just learn the technical analysis and then in the future we can do that for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Because I help that in trading also. If you have an account and you have some platform for Forex, I can do that. I can help you. So here we can see that, right? Again, we have to see the open and low price at the top. You can see how much is the open price? How much is the open price here?
Open price is 14913.
And low price?
The low price is 14907. So we got four, right?
Uh,
No, six.
6.
6 points of between the low and the open.
Yeah. So 6 points is the risk for us, right? Right
Mm.
now. But see, it's not possible to take an entry at 14913. So let's assume that we are going to take an entry at around 14925, right? 14. Let's assume that 14925 is our entry. 1.4925 is our entry point, right? Stop loss will be, what will be our stop loss here?
The stop loss would be, it has to be double your risk, right? Which is
No, no.
six.
Stop loss is the risk. So we have to use it near the low. Stop loss will be
Oh,
near the
correct,
low.
correct,
Yes,
correct.
yes.
So yeah, the stop loss has to be. I don't know what you think. You think maybe on the open, not the open, the
Low,
low, which
low
is
price, low, low.
14907. That's a stop loss, right?
Uh,
So the stop loss is 6 points, and that means that your reward has to be at least double, right? 12
yes, yes,
points.
yes, right, correct. So stop loss is 1.4907. So my risk here is how much?
Risk is 6 points.
No,
Well, the risk.
my entry is at 1.4925. I have to calculate the risk from my entry point.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
My entry point is 1.4925 and my stop loss is 1.4907, right? So my risk will be around 18.
18 points.
Yeah. So my reward will be how much? Double at least, right?
That has to be double, yeah. So it's 36.
36, right? So 36 means how much it will come? We have to add here, right? We have to add in my entry point, right? 36. So how much it will come? 1.4961, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see whether we have achieved that here or not. So we can see the high price here. High price is 1.155. So that means we have achieved our targets. Here the high price, you can see the high price 1.5523, correct?
One point, yeah.
High price at the
1.49.
top. Uh, High
Oh
price,
yeah.
high H.
The high is 15523. Yes, I see that.
So and our target was 1.4961. That means we have achieved that target,
Okay.
right? So this is how the same thing that we can do in paper trading also. We can do the back test. We can see whenever our strategy is matching, we can plot the entry point, we can plot the stop loss, and we can calculate the profit also whether we have achieved or not. So if we have achieved that, we will mark it as one,
Okay.
right? So this is
Would
how
this,
you can test it.
would this be like intraday?
See, since I am using the daily chart, so this will be positional. But if you want to do intraday, then you can choose 10 minutes or 15 minutes chart like this. For intraday, you can choose 15 minutes, right?
Okay.
See here. See on this candle. You can see the open price and low price.
Mm-hmm.
See, trading, if you are doing intraday, so best is to open the chart and take a notepad and a pen so that you can note down quickly the prices and you have to take an entry quickly. So that is the best way to do intraday.
Okay.
Because we may not remember the prices in my mind in the mind, right, whenever we are doing the trading. So it's best to note down in a notepad and see where the price is going, right? So here you can see open and low price are same, 1.15779 open price. Can see at
Okay.
the top, and low
Yeah.
price.
The low price is 15776.
Yeah. So here what will be our entry point? Let's assume 1.15785 our entry point, correct?
Okay.
And what will be the stop loss?
85, you said that's in
Stop
our
loss will be
entry.
near low. Stop loss will be near low price.
Yes. Uh
1.15776 approximately like that, correct?
okay.
I'll just
Okay.
note. I'll just write here so that it will be easy for you. 1 second. Stop loss is 1.15776. 1.15776, right? This is a stop loss. Entry point is
You said it was one point open
one.
15779.
That is the open price, but we have to take some buffer. 1.15785.
Oh, that would be the exit.
785, right? So here, how much is the risk? Nine
It's
nine points, right?
nine 9 points, yes, sir.
And reward will be how much you will be taking? 18, correct?
18 points,
So you have
which
to
is
add here 18 and see whether it has achieved or not, right?
mm-hmm.
So it will come around 1.15. How much it will come? 15,303. 1.15803, correct?
Correct.
So let's see on the candle whether we have achieved that or not. So that is 1.16012. Yes, we have achieved that for intraday, right?
Yes.
Because high price is 1.16. See, high price is 1.16. And our target was 1.158, right? So that means we have achieved that target in intraday, right?
Mm-hmm.
So see, whenever you are doing intraday, so take 2 or 3 trades. Let's say you take a trade at around 9 a.m. Okay. Then if you get the profit, then just wait for 2 or 3 hours. After that, you take. Don't take the trade back to back.
Or you always give yourself a break.
Yeah, you need to give some break because this is a game of psychology as well.
Okay. You basically you put in a trade and you leave it alone. It depends what you're doing. If it's scalping, you gotta be there the whole time, right?
Yeah, but you have to keep some profit, right? It is not like that in one trade you earn profit and next trade you are losing everything.
Okay.
So you have to keep some profits with you. Otherwise, whatever you are doing, it's waste, right? You have to keep some profits with you. By the at the end of the day, you should be taking some profits at home, correct?
Yeah. Okay.
It's not like that you took 10 trades, okay, and in 5 trades you earn profit, and in 5 trades you made losses. So you went at the end of the day you are at zero. So that doesn't make sense, correct?
No,
So
no, you make money.
so you have to make money, right? So like this, since you are making 18 points here, right? So in the next trade, you should risk only 9 points. You should not risk whole 18 points. At least you will take 9 points at home, correct? So
Correct.
in the next trade, you need to risk only 9 points, not more than that. You should risk only 9 points. Means in terms of layman language, let's say you have $100, okay, and you are going to market to buy something, right? So this is your pocket money for a month. Okay. Let's take an example that you have a pocket money of $100 for a month and you are going to market, right? So you should not spend $100 in one single marketing, right? You should spend something, or you should save something for the next day also, right? So same thing here also. If you are making 18 points profit in one day, you should keep it safe for the next day also, right? You should not lose everything on the same day, whatever you
Right,
are.
correct. You want to keep your profits all the time.
Yes, yes. So that's why I'm saying that if you have earned 18 points, you should risk only 9 points and should keep remaining 9 points in your profit, in your pocket. Okay, this is clear.
Very clear.
Okay. So I will show you one or two more trades, then we will go to next part. So let's see here. Now you have to tell me the stop loss, entry points, and reward points.
Okay. So well, for that one right there, we're looking at the open price is 15888.
Hmm. Yes.
That is the open price. Um, the low is it's actually the same. Oh, it's the same for open
Ah,
and
same. So that means if the prices are same, that means this is perfect entry. If both are exact same, that means it's a perfect entry for us. Can give me more points. It can give me more profits.
okay. In that case, your exit or your stop loss. In that case, where do you put your stop loss in such an
We can
order?
take some buffer. We can take some buffer like 1.15885. We can use like that the stop loss 885. Some 3 or 4 point buffer we can
Like three,
use it.
4 points? Okay.
3 4 point buffer we can use it, and our entry point will be around, let's say, 1.15895. Okay, 1.15895. I'll just note down here 1.15895. So let's say this is our entry point, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Stop loss is 1.15. How much was the stop loss? 885, correct?
Mm-hmm.
885. So my risk is here is how much? 10 points, correct?
Correct.
So since we see that open and low are exact same, so here we can expect more reward. Maybe we can take here 30 points as reward. 30 points as profit we can take here. We should take because my open and low price are exact same. So in that case, we can expect more profits. See, earlier we took 20 points, right? So earlier we took the double of risk, right? So here we are taking the triple of risk reward, like 30 points. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Repeat it. Repeat it again.
Here my risk is how much?
We said risk is 10 points.
Here, right? If you subtract it, you will get 10 points, correct? Risk is 10
Mm-hmm.
points. So reward or profit, how much we are going to take?
Has to be double.
Double, right? But in this scenario, as we see that open and low are exact same, right? 1.15888, 1.15888. Both the prices are almost same, right?
Mm-hmm.
So instead of double, we should try taking more profits, like triple.
Triple. Because this is a perfect entry, like you
Yes,
said.
yes, 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 yes.
These are the high probability trades.
Yes, high probability trade, high accuracy trades also you can say that. So here we should expect more profits. Maybe triple you can expect.
Okay.
Right. So that is why I'm saying that we should consider 30 points profit here.
Okay.
Else
Perfect.
we will take only 20 points because we may not know whether the market will go definitely up or not. But since this is high probable trade, we are taking triple profits.
Alrighty. Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is clear. This setup is clear.
Yeah, it's very clear.
Okay, let's see one more. See, because practice is important. If you are learning, see, I can teach you everything, but Practice is mainly important. Practice entry. You have to be fast. You have to make the decision fast that whether you want to take an entry or not, right? So that decision, that capability, we should get it only by practicing, right?
Yes, only by practice, yeah. And
Yes. So at least you should spend some 30 minutes, 40 minutes daily on this and do practice. Maybe if you want, you can do paper trading also. That's totally fine. But only main aim is to practice, to train your brain on the charts. That is the only aim here.
copy that.
So here you can see that open and low price are same. How much can you tell me?
So that this again, this is a good one. So basically, we want a buffer entry point would be the open, right? 16294. And the buffer will give it maybe 3, 4 points.
Yeah.
And then to exit, the moment you see the exit here is the closing price is 164.60. That's six
No,
four.
not
That's
closing price. Risk you have to consider based on the low price.
on the low. Oh,
Risk, whatever is your stop loss you should take near the low price.
this is not a same open, same low. No, this is different.
Low,
So
no, no, open low.
open low, yes. So the low is 62992. Two
Hmm.
different 2 points difference.
Hmm. Yeah.
So if it's 2 points and we said 3 points stop loss, we should do 6 points, right?
Yes.
Six
Yes.
to
Yes. Six or maybe here you can see that the stop loss is very minimal, right? Only 3 points. So you can go for triple again
okay,
because your stop loss is only 3 points, right? If your stop loss is more 10 point, 12 point, then you can go for less rewards. But since your stop loss is only 3 points, you can go for triple here also.
okay. I got a question.
Yeah.
For these kind of trades,
Uh,
like you're how do you how do I say it? Like how does it go? Like how do you place your trade? How do you know if it's gonna be, green candle, or is it the kind of trade where you basically go look back on the chart and see if which is a good one to see a rebound?
see,
You see what I'm
uh,
saying?
see, like this, right? So whenever open price and low price are same, the lower wick will not be there in those candles, and the candle has to be green. So this is how I'm trying to find it. See, whenever open price and low price are same, that means the candle has to be green. First condition is candle has to be green, correct? Second condition is the lower part will not be there. I
Okay,
showed you
repeat
on
again.
slides, right? I showed you on slides, right? The lower wick and the upper wick, correct? One second, let me bring back the slides. Can you see my slide now?
Let's see. No, I can't. I can see only what the chart.
Okay, okay, let me bring back the slide again. One second. So now you can see the slide.
Yes, I can see it.
So see, whenever open and low are same, this wick will not be there, right? Because the open price will match the low here.
Correct.
So this comes with the experience. Once you have experience in trading, once you practice, this comes with the experience. The lower wick will not be there, and the candle will be green. So that's how I am finding these candles. So I'm trying to see those candles wherever the lower wick is not present, right?
Mm,
Still confusing?
a little bit.
Can see this is basically like a body part, right? It's like we have a body, right? Hands, legs, eyes, head, right? So here also in a candle, this is a kind of head you can see, right? This is a head.